Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you how I made this cute, super pink, super girly Barbie design I made on my natural nails with Madam Glam gel polishes, some glitters I got from AliExpress, and the Barbie decal itself is from candynailsuk.com. They were kind enough to send me some of their cool water decals. If you want to see the full on video on those, I will link it in the end cards at the end of the video. But let's start off with clean nails. I have already prepped them, of course removed the previous design as well, and yeah, I'm just going to get rid of any oils and dust and so on with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. And I'm starting off with the Madam Glam Soak Off base coat. I love this base coat. It really makes the removal of my designs so easy. Of course you still have to soak it off with like acetone or a gel polish remover or something like that, but it only takes like 10 minutes to soak it off, so that is quite decent in my opinion. And you don't have to like go in with files on your natural nails and all that jazz, so that is a big plus to maintain the health of your own natural nails. Then the beautiful pink color we're going to use is called Barbie Girl. This is one of my favorite gel polishes by Madam Glam. It is so bright, so gorgeous. It definitely is Barbie pink. It's just gorgeous. You guys know me, I love my pink colors, especially for nail polish. I don't wear much pink in like clothing wise or anything like that, but I really love it in like makeup and other cosmetics such as nail polishes or gel polishes. So I'm just going to apply 2 layers of that to my thumb. And yeah, I'm just going to let you watch. It's like really self-explanatory if you watch it, but I know you guys also really like that I talk like throughout my videos just explaining everything I do. So yeah, I actually got a question a couple of days ago or like a week ago if I wouldn't like rather just add music instead of talking through my videos. I would love to hear your opinion about that. Like usually when I do make a video with music only or like a short talkative intro, you guys are like, okay, I really want like the next video to be you talking through the entire video. So I feel like most of my viewers prefer me talking in my videos, like rather than just putting music in my videos. So please let me know what you think about that. But I just got some beautiful, like super cute pink, like multicolored glitter. I think I got it in like a 12 pack from AliExpress a couple of like months or even a year ago already. I really can't remember. I'm sorry guys, I have no idea from what seller I got it. But there are different shapes and sizes of glitter in there. So I'm just going to apply a layer of top coat first. I used the non-wipe top coat and I'm going to place some of the bigger glitters in there with my crystal picker up thingy, like gem pickup thing. I don't even know how you call this. I know it is like a knockoff from the Crystal Katana, but I have no idea if it has like a legit like own name or something. I don't know. I always just use it or use the name like Crystal Katana knockoff, and most of you will know what I mean with that. But yeah, I'm just going to place some of those randomly different shaped glitters all over the nail, mostly focusing around the cuticle area and the first half of the nail. Of course, it's totally up to you if you are going to recreate this design where you want to place your glitters, but I just thought this looked so cute. I really wanted to add some of those hearts, some of those stars, and it's just really cute. And I actually wore this design for 3 weeks if I remember correctly. I actually took off my previous red design that you also saw in one of my previous videos this week, which was one of my designs for Winter Nail Art Week, but I really wanted to like stop using red because I was so over red designs even before Christmas started. So this was my Christmas design actually. And as you can see as well, I still had both of my beautiful long thumbnails here. You guys know I broke both of them, or at least I shortened them way down because there were tears in each of them. Yada yada, you know the story already, but I just wanted to mention that I pre-recorded this, of course. I think it was like the 15th of December or something that I made this design. I'm not quite sure anymore. It was somewhere in December. But yeah, you just want to apply another layer of top coat once you have applied the glitters in the wet layer of top coat. Of course, cure that layer first for 30 seconds, but just to cap in all of the glitters, I went in with another layer of top coat. Then for the other nails, of course, you want to start off with your base coat, and I am going to apply this beautiful holographic, like super pink gel polish by Madam Glam as well. It is from the Ho Ho Holo collection that I swatched and reviewed last Wednesday, so if you want to see that video, you can check that out as well after you've finished watching this video. But I'm going to apply I think I applied 2 layers to my index finger as well as my pinky. I really love this one. It is so beautiful. And as usual, you guys know that I only wear gel polishes on my right hand, so I always apply gel polishes with my left non-dominant hand. And that is why I sometimes get the shakes, like I'm not left-handed, and you guys know that. So it usually takes me a little bit longer to do my nails on my right hand, especially because I work with gel polishes and you want to be really precise with that. You don't want to have like gel polishes on your skin or in the cuticles or anything like that before or if you're going to cure the gel polishes, because you really just don't want to do that. Like, it's not good for your skin. You can get like several eczema stuff. You don't want that, and it just simply burns. So make sure that your skin and cuticles are like completely cleaned up before you go into your LED or UV light. Yeah, you just don't want that. And while I was recording this video, I had my little cat on my lap. This is Timmy, one of my 2 tuxedo cats, and it made it even harder to actually do my nails, but I didn't want to wake him up either because I just thought it was really cute that he joined me while making this design. So yeah, that's why I just kept it on, and it even made the video even longer, you know, because I had to like work over the cat and it was just kind of uncomfortable, but it was kind of cute as well. But yeah. Then after I have applied that holographic polish to my pointer, fingernail and the pinky, I'm going in with that Barbie girl color again to my middle finger. And of course also apply a layer of top coat to place all of the glitters in. You can place them again however you want to place them. I'm just going to apply them kind of similarly to how we did the thumb as well. I just thought it looked really cute, and yeah, I don't know, I just think it's such a cute design and I loved wearing it. I got so many compliments of just random people, even when I did my groceries. Like, when you do your nails, you mostly just realize how much people look at your hands. Like, when I still worked at a job I had like 3 years ago, I had to work with my hands a lot, and people actually do look at your hands a lot as well. And you only notice it when people actually comment about it, whether it's positive or negative. I've never had any negative comments like on my nails in real life, actually. But that's just also a reason that I love doing my nails, and I think it's really important to have a decent hand and nail care. Whether you have long nails or like really short nails, that doesn't matter. I feel like it's really important to just have really like taken care of hands and nails and just make sure that they look good, because especially if you are like me at the moment and job hunting, on the lookout for a new job, just make sure that your hands look nice and taken care of and just moisturize and stuff, because it really helps with a first impression that someone might have of you, especially if you are going to work in, for instance, a store or something, or some other function or job that you're really face to face with people. I think it's just really important to have like decent, well taken care of hands and skin and nails. And it doesn't matter if you do nail art like I do. For some jobs, it's actually not done to have like the length like I have or the colors that I wear. But yeah, I just think it's really important, and it's just really nice to shake someone's hand while your hand is like really like nice and decent. You know what I mean? But yeah, you just want to finish off that glitter nail with an extra layer of that non-wipe top coat and cure that for 30 seconds. And then for the ring fingernail, the last nail I'm going to show you today, just go in with your base coat again, cure that for 30 seconds, and I'm going to apply a layer of perfect white. This one is also by Madam Glam. All of the gel polishes used in this design are by Madam Glam. And that's just because I simply love their brand. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, and they just have great quality gel polishes. So yeah, I'm just raving and raving about this brand for like the last year, but I truly really love it. And if you want to try out gel polishes, I would highly suggest to start off with some good decent products. I know that they are a little bit more expensive, but you are at least like, you know for sure that this is like not harmful to anything or anyone when you use it. They're really easy to like soak off as well if you want to switch up your manicure. So yeah, do check them out. Oh, and I have a discount code of 30%. You can use it if you want to. I always leave it in the pinned comment down below as well as in the description box. It is femketje30, so yeah, you can just use it if you want to. Then if you have cured your white layer, or at least your base color, I am going to cut up the Barbie decal that I wanted to use. This one is by Candy Nails UK, as I said. Like a couple of months ago, they sent me some really cool sheets of their water decals for me to try out, and I love these. They really work nicely. They are quite thin, and they actually don't have a clear film on top, so you can just cut it out and dunk it in the water right away. With other like brands of water decals, they usually have a clear film that you have to take off before you put it in the water, but this one is clear film free, so you can just cut it up, put it in the water for like 15 seconds, and you can put it on your nail. So yeah, I am going to cap that one in with a layer of top coat just to make sure that the decal will stay in place and last a longer period of time. This design actually stayed put on my nails for weeks. Madam Glam designs actually stay put on my nails for weeks. Like even when I went on my Asia trip, my nails stayed like perfect for like 5 weeks or something. I think it was almost 5 weeks. And yeah, I only had some new growth, but I didn't have any like excessive lifting or tip wear or anything like that. So yeah, another reason you should really try out Madam Glam gel polishes, because they work like a dream, and they even survived like hours and hours of being in the pool, being in water, being really rough with my nails. Like when you travel, you sometimes have to be rough with your nails, and it's not a good thing, but my design lasted so well, and I didn't even break a nail. Like, hello. So yeah, that was pretty nice. To finish off this design, I'm going in with one of my cuticle oils. This one is by Essence. It's really affordable, like €2 or something, and it smells like candy. It is so yummy to smell. You can just apply this around the cuticle area and on the skin around the nails as well. I usually do so because I feel like if I have soaked off my previous design with acetone, the skin around my nails can get a little dry and dehydrated, so you want to moisturize that all back in with that oil. Just apply a little bit, like rub it in, and you're good to go. But that was already my entire design. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, you can always let me know in the comments down below. I love to answer your comments, or just say hi, or whatever you want to share with me. But thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, I really hope you had a great start of 2020, and as usual, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.